Welcome back to the Hoop of Basketball channel, everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting in basketball world of women's basketball. Few names resonate as profoundly as Diana Taurasi and Caitlin Clark. Taurasi, a seasoned veteran with an illustrious career, and Caitlin Clark, a rising star making waves in the WNBA, have recently been at the center of media attention due to a series of comments and interactions that highlight the evolving dynamics between established legends and emerging talents. This video delves into the journey from Taurasi's initial remarks about Caitlin Clark's transition to the WNBA to their current relationship of mutual respect and camaraderie. And subscribe to our Hoop of Basketball channel for more sports updates.
Caitlin Clark.
Caitlin Clark. Caitlin Clark.
Caitlin Clark.
Caitlin Clark.
Sun is down.
I'll go ahead and say it, dog. I firmly believe that she's the biggest brand in college sports right now.
What she's doing in the tournament is a la Steph.
Do I need to call you the female version of Steph Curry, or do I need to call Steph Curry the male version of Caitlin Clark?
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame here, sicko mode.
Caitlin Clark is changing the way we look at college basketball, as far as shooting goes. Because these are logo threes.
Clark at the logo. Another logo shot for number 22. Clark. She's a beast.
If you were an opposing coach game planning to stop Caitlin Clark, what would you do?
Pray.
The best player in America, the best shooter in America, Caitlin Clark at Iowa.
All my friends, we finally made it out them tricking the
When that leaves your fingertips, what's going through your head?
Honestly, I thought it was money.
In April 2024, as Caitlin Clark was preparing to transition from her stellar college basketball career at Iowa to the professional stage of the WNBA, Diana Taurasi shared her perspective on the challenges Caitlin Clark might face. Speaking with ESPN's Scott Van Pelt, Taurasi remarked, "Reality is coming. There's levels to this thing. You look superhuman playing against 18-year-olds, but you're going to come with some grown women that have been playing professional basketball for a long time." These comments sparked widespread discussion within the basketball community. Some viewed Taurasi's remarks as a candid acknowledgement of the challenges rookies face when transitioning to the professional league, while others perceived them as underestimating Caitlin Clark's potential impact in the WNBA.
Congrats on your retirement, Z.
Thank you.
And congrats.
Now, unfortunately, reality is coming to me now.
Despite the mixed reactions to Diana Taurasi's comments, Caitlin Clark remained focused on her game. She entered the WNBA with determination, joining the Indiana Fever as the number. First overall pick in the 2024 draft, Caitlin Clark's rookie season was nothing short of remarkable. She led the league in three-pointers, making 122 shots from beyond the arc, and played a pivotal role in transforming the Fever's performance. After a challenging start to the season with a 1-9 record, Caitlin Clark's leadership and skill helped the team achieve a 2020 finish, securing a spot in the postseason. Caitlin Clark's ability to adapt and excel in the professional arena not only silenced many doubters, but also showcased her resilience and talent, affirming her place among the league's emerging stars.
Reality is coming.
Okay.
There's levels to this thing, and that's just life. We all went through it.
Of course.
And you see it on the NBA side, and you're gonna see it on this side, where you look superhuman playing against 18-year-olds, but you're gonna come with some grown women that've been playing professional basketball for a long time. Not saying that it's not gonna translate, because when you're great at what you do, you're just gonna get better. But there is gonna be a transition period where you're gonna have to give yourself some grace as a rookie.
Recognizing Caitlin Clark's impressive debut season, Diana Taurasi displayed humility and humor in addressing her earlier remarks. During an appearance on ESPN's The Bird and Diana Taurasi Show, where Caitlin Clark was a guest, Diana Taurasi quipped, "Unfortunately, reality is coming to me now. This self-deprecating comment elicited laughter from both Caitlin Clark and co-host Sue Bird, highlighting a moment of mutual respect and understanding between the veteran and the newcomer. Diana Taurasi's ability to acknowledge her previous misjudgment with grace further endeared her to fans and underscored the supportive dynamics within the women's basketball community. The interaction between Diana Taurasi and Caitlin Clark reflects a broader narrative within women's basketball. The passing of the torch from seasoned legends to the next generation of stars. Diana Taurasi's illustrious career, marked by 6 WNBA championships and 6 Olympic gold medals, sets a high standard for aspiring players. Caitlin Clark's emergence signifies the league's evolving landscape, where young talents are stepping up to carry forward the legacy of their predecessors. Such exchanges not only highlight the competitive spirit inherent in the sport, but also emphasize the mentorship and camaraderie that define the WNBA. As veterans like Diana Taurasi make way for newcomers like Caitlin Clark, the league continues to thrive, bolstered by a blend of experience and youthful energy. The media and fans closely followed the developments between Diana Taurasi and Caitlin Clark, with many appreciating the candidness and sportsmanship displayed by both athletes. Articles and reports highlighted the evolution of their relationship, from initial skepticism to mutual admiration. Fans took to social media to commend Diana Taurasi for her humility and Caitlin Clark for her perseverance, further fueling discussions about the future of women's basketball and the exciting prospects it holds. As the WNBA continues to grow in popularity and competitiveness, the narratives surrounding players like Diana Taurasi and Caitlin Clark play a crucial role in shaping the league's identity. Caitlin Clark's successful transition to the professional level serves as an inspiration for aspiring athletes, demonstrating that with dedication and hard work, it's possible to make a significant impact early in one's career. Meanwhile, Diana Taurasi's graceful acknowledgement of her earlier comments exemplifies the importance of adaptability and continuous learning, even for seasoned professionals. Diana Taurasi's initial "reality is coming" comment to her lighthearted acknowledgement of Caitlin Clark's success encapsulates the dynamic and evolving nature of professional sports. It underscores the challenges rookies face, the importance of mentorship, and the mutual respect that binds athletes across generations. As the WNBA moves forward, moments like these not only enrich the league's history, but also inspire fans and players alike, highlighting the enduring spirit of competition and camaraderie that defines women's basketball. Let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to our Hoop of Basketball channel, and see you in the next video.